Greetings, and we are going to unbox a thing today. Star Wars. Okay, you made a car alarm noise. Okay, so first you gotta do the big read. 60-minute charge, an hour charge. You could have just said 30-meter range, I guess. That symbol, and this, and USB. Signature LEDs. Ultra durable shell, enhanced radio system. I got the BB-9E, which is basically Sith BB-8, and 1, 2, 3. Gotta get that. Nice packaging. It doesn't show up on the camera, but it says Star Wars. There you go. And now I have to open this. I'm gonna open the second chest. Tape. Any tape? Oh. Maybe this one. Oh wow. I'm just gonna look at that. And it's designed not to fall out. It falls out. Head's a little. And now we set it down. Look at that. Beep beep! Read! Read! And now there's this part. Ooh, there's stuff inside of here. Is there stuff? Oh. Nope, just emptiness. Just the void. It says download the app, which I have not done yet. Get some stickers. Very nice. And then we have Hebrew in the box. We have to open that. Out comes the droid the droid trainer, I think it's called. Yeah, let's put you in there. Now I'm just wondering what I should name him. I think this is an important piece of technology. I don't want to break this. Wow. Much engineering. Is this like a... Ooh, I think this might be his charging stand or just a stand. Gotta look for it. Yep, charging stand. That's very epic. This is the droid trainer thing. It's basically designed so that way he doesn't go vroom off of it. Very epic. I'll just leave him on his charging stand. Is there more? Nope. That is it. So I'll just put everything back into the box like it was, like a good, decent human being. Yes, I just said being. I am a human being. Put it away. As it was. And this makes me just got one up. Automaton, buy it. I bought a lot of stuff on Amazon. So I got this thing, and I got a watch. And a stylus. Maybe I can draw my own channel art. Wow. Much fascinate. Okay. Now we're here for the big bucks. I'm sorry, camera. I'm just gonna have to swipe that for a second. Plug into you. Oh, flash. He's flashing. Alexa, play Flash by Queen.
Flash, digital remaster by Queen, starting now on Amazon Music.
Alexa, volume 1. Okay, let's read the manual. Turns out this is just the legal guide. Okay, I see. Directions, throw and trash. Maybe the instructions are in the box. What happens if I take off the head? Make him headless. I know that it's magnetic. See, look. Hopefully there's nothing important in there, otherwise I'm gonna be in big trouble. Beep beep. I'll make a part 2 of this video I'll just live stream me uploading me making this like work function. But this thing is actually really cool. Although very flimsy, like it's literally just plastic, I know that. But it feels really heavy. I feel like there's something in here. Even if it's just to weigh it down, to make it feel like it actually has worth. Yeah, you're beep beep. It's actually really cool though. So yeah, I'll just make it part 2. Or I'll just combine the clips with the thing. Like a smart boy. Probably not. So yeah, see you in one of those. Bye.